My topic is customer experience and satisfaction in detail explained, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Customer experience refers to the overall perception and interaction a customer has with a company throughout their entire journey, from the initial contact to post-purchase support. It encompasses all the touch points and interactions a customer has with a brand, including online and offline interactions, customer service, product quality, and more. Customer satisfaction, on the other hand, is a measure of how well a product or service meets or exceeds customer expectations. It is a reflection of how happy or content customers are with their overall experience. Customer satisfaction is typically measured through surveys, feedback forms, ratings, and reviews. Customer experience and satisfaction are closely related. A positive customer experience often leads to higher customer satisfaction. When companies focus on delivering exceptional experiences, they can create loyal customers who are more likely to make repeat purchases, refer others, and speak positively about the brand. On the contrary, a negative customer experience can result in low satisfaction, customer churn, and negative word of mouth. To improve customer experience and satisfaction, companies should consider the following. Understand customer needs, gain insights into customer preferences, expectations, and pain points through market research, surveys, and customer feedback. Personalize interactions, tailor experiences to individual customers by leveraging data and providing relevant recommendations, personalized offers, and targeted communications. Seamless omni-channel experience, ensure a consistent and integrated experience across various channels such as websites, mobile apps, social media, physical stores, and customer service interactions. Employee training and empowerment, equip employees with the necessary skills, knowledge, and authority to provide excellent customer service and resolve issues effectively. Streamline processes, simplify and optimize customer-facing processes to reduce friction and improve efficiency. This could involve enhancing website usability, minimizing wait times, or automating routine tasks. Proactive customer support, anticipate customer needs and address potential issues before they escalate. Implement self-service options, proactive notifications, and offer real-time support channels. Measure and analyze, establish key performance indicators, KPIs, to track customer experience and satisfaction. Analyze customer feedback, sentiment, and behavior data to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions. Continual improvement, regularly seek feedback, monitor trends, and make iterative enhancements to enhance the overall customer experience. Encourage a culture of customer centricity throughout the organization. By prioritizing customer experience and satisfaction, companies can differentiate themselves in a competitive market, foster customer loyalty, and drive long-term business success. Customer experience refers to the interaction and perception that customers have while engaging with a company, its products, and services. It encompasses all the touch points a customer has with a company, including their initial awareness of the company, the purchase process, and any ongoing support or service they receive. Customer satisfaction, on the other hand, is the measurement or perception of how well a company meets or exceeds customer expectations. It is a subjective assessment of the overall experience and is highly influenced by the customer's expectations and personal opinions. A positive customer experience and high satisfaction levels are crucial for businesses as they lead to various benefits, including customer loyalty, positive word-of-mouth referrals, repeat purchases, and higher profitability. Conversely, a negative experience or low satisfaction levels can result in customer churn, negative reviews, and damage to the company's reputation. To achieve a strong customer experience and high satisfaction levels, companies must focus on understanding their customers' needs and expectations, delivering products and services that meet or exceed those expectations, and providing excellent customer service and support. This requires the implementation of effective customer experience management strategies, ongoing monitoring and measurement of customer satisfaction levels, and proactive efforts to continuously improve the customer experience. Customer experience, CX, refers to the overall perception and interaction a customer has with a company or brand throughout their entire journey, from the initial contact to post-purchase support. Customer satisfaction is a measure of how well a company meets or exceeds customer expectations and fulfills their needs. Providing an exceptional customer experience is essential for businesses as it directly impacts customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend the company to others, contributing to business growth and success. To enhance customer experience and satisfaction, businesses can focus on several key areas. Understand customer needs, gain insights into customer preferences, pain points, and expectations through research, surveys, feedback mechanisms, and data analysis. This understanding helps tailor products, services, and interactions to meet customer demands. Personalization. Treat customers as individuals by offering personalized experiences based on their preferences and past interactions. This can involve customized recommendations, personalized marketing messages, and tailored support. Seamless omni-channel experience. Provide a consistent and integrated experience across multiple channels, such as in-store, online, mobile, social media, and customer support. Customers should be able to transition effortlessly between channels while maintaining context and receiving consistent service. Clear and transparent communication. Communicate with customers clearly and transparently regarding product information, pricing, policies, and any changes that may affect their experience. Avoid jargon and use language that is easily understandable. Prompt and efficient customer support. Respond to customer inquiries, issues, and complaints in a timely manner. Offer multiple support channels, for example, phone, email, chatbots, self-service portals, to cater to various preferences. Train support staff to be knowledgeable, empathetic, and empowered to resolve issues. Proactive engagement. Anticipate customer needs and reach out to them with relevant information, offers, or assistance. This can include proactive notifications, personalized recommendations, and follow-ups to ensure customer satisfaction throughout their journey. Continuous improvement. Regularly gather customer feedback and use it to drive improvements in products, services, and processes. Actively listen to customer suggestions, address concerns, and show customers that their opinions matter. Employee training and empowerment. Provide comprehensive training to employees to equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to deliver excellent customer experiences. Empower employees to make decisions that benefit customers and foster a customer-centric culture within the organization. Measure and track customer satisfaction. Utilize customer satisfaction metrics such as Net Promoter Score, NPS, Customer Satisfaction Score, CSAT, and Customer Effort Score, CES, to measure and track customer satisfaction levels over time. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement and set goals for enhancing customer experience. Building customer loyalty. Going beyond customer satisfaction, companies aim to create loyal customers who repeatedly choose their products or services. Loyalty programs, personalized offers, and exceptional experiences can foster long-term relationships with customers. Employee engagement. Engaged and empowered employees are more likely to deliver exceptional customer experiences. Investing in employee training, development, and creating a positive work culture can positively impact customer satisfaction. Continuous improvement. Customer expectations evolve over time, so it's crucial for companies to continuously monitor, analyze, and adapt their customer experience strategies. This iterative process ensures that they stay aligned with changing customer needs and preferences. By focusing on these aspects, companies can enhance their customer experience and ultimately improve customer satisfaction, leading to customer loyalty, positive word of mouth. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.